Scaevola is the genus of flowering plants in the Goodenia family. It consists of more than 130 species, with the center of diversity being Australia and Polynesian. Scaevola aemula, commonly known as the fairy fanflower or common fanflower, is thought to be the most commonly cultivated of the genus Scaevola. It originates from New South Wales, South Australia, and Victoria, and a large number of cultivars have been developed. The dainty fan-shaped flowers have 5 petals that range in colors of blue, purple, pink, or white. As the flowers are self-cleaning, it is not necessary to deadhead the spent blooms. The 2-inch rounded leaves have slightly toothed margins on prostrate, trailing stems. It is a warm-weather perennial or small shrub that is often grown as an annual flower. It is an excellent plant for any region with warm summers. Scaevola is a sprawling plant with oval or lance-shaped leaves, and given a hot, humid climate, it would produce a nearly non-stop display of dark blue or purple, pink, fan-shaped flowers from early summer right up to frost. Rich soil isn't necessary for thriving Scaevola plants. A soil of average fertility is fine. With good drainage, the most important factor is healthy plant growth. Container plants do fine when planted in the standard commercial potting mix, perhaps with some sand blended in. Scaevola is grown for its use in hanging baskets, containers, window boxes, and landscape beds. The flowers attract butterflies, bees, and other pollinating insects. Scaevola plants make good companions for other hot weather lovers of sun, like Mexican zinnias, geraniums, and tropical hibiscus.